Pendle price prediction: will Pendle hit $15 by 2030? As the cryptocurrency market expands, new tools and features are continuously introduced, creating advantages for investors. Yield-bearing tokens have shown strong potential for long-term returns, largely due to their foundation in decentralized finance DeFi protocols. Notably, as DeFi projects evolve, more users are adopting yield-bearing tokens, as they offer the dual benefit of acting as collateral for borrowing and enabling structured financial products securely stored in custody. One prominent player in this sector is Pendle, a token originally launched on the Ethereum network, designed to provide an efficient market for yield-bearing assets. Pendle operates by dividing these tokens into principal and yield components, thereby enhancing liquidity for trading. Supporting multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Arbitrum, and BNB Chain, Pendle's utility token, Pendle, grants holders added benefits. When Pendle is locked as vePENDLE, it boosts liquidity and grants governance rights to users, fostering a more dynamic ecosystem. As economic growth continues, investors are increasingly vigilant, seeking high-potential opportunities. Pendle has captured attention as a potentially profitable venture, particularly as it gains traction in the market. While the token offers promising prospects, cautious investment is recommended, considering the volatility and uncertainties within the cryptocurrency landscape. The growing cryptocurrency market offers new tools for investors, with yield-bearing tokens gaining traction due to their DeFi foundation. These tokens support long-term returns, serve as collateral, and enable secure financial products. Pendle, launched on Ethereum, boosts liquidity by dividing tokens into principal and yield parts and operates on networks like Ethereum, Arbitrum, and BNB Chain. Its utility token, Pendle, adds value when locked as vePENDLE, granting governance rights and liquidity perks, driving innovation in DeFi. As the economy expands, Pendle represents an attractive, though cautious, investment choice for those pursuing high returns in digital assets. What is Pendle token? Pendle is a decentralized finance DeFi protocol that allows users to tokenize and trade future yields on DeFi assets across various blockchains, including Ethereum, Arbitrum, and BNB Chain. Through a process known as yield tokenization, Pendle enables yield-bearing assets to be divided into principal tokens PT and yield tokens YT, each serving distinct purposes. Principal tokens represent the ownership of the underlying asset, while yield tokens signify the asset's future yield. This structure facilitates diverse yield management strategies, allowing users to execute options such as fixed yield, long yield, and hedging against potential declines in yield. Pendle's dual token model gives users flexibility in yield management. For instance, users can buy YT to increase exposure to potential yields or sell YT for immediate liquidity, which enables diverse strategies like longing, shorting, and hedging. Additionally, the protocol's liquidity provision feature allows users to contribute assets to the platform in return for extra yield, supporting Pendle's operations and enabling smoother trades across its network. The platform also integrates mechanisms for optimizing and hedging yields, helping users manage yield fluctuations more effectively. Pendle's governance and staking framework further enhances its utility, with the native token, Pendle, empowering users to participate in protocol governance and decision-making. By locking Pendle as vePENDLE, users gain governance rights and can boost liquidity provision rewards. Overall, Pendle's protocol structure offers an infrastructure for trading, managing, and hedging future yields, delivering a platform optimized for varied yield management strategies and aimed at expanding opportunities within decentralized finance. Pendle Finance boosts DeFi with yield control and trading options. Pendle Finance brings a specialized approach to yield management, focusing on maximizing user control in decentralized finance DeFi. Unlike conventional methods, Pendle enables yield-focused strategies, including yield trading and hedging, to provide users with more flexibility. This feature allows users to engage in yield-earning techniques by betting on yield fluctuations or taking a short position, offering diversified income options in the growing DeFi space. By supporting yield-based trading, Pendle opens new avenues for earning and optimizing returns. Its platform allows users to trade and stake tokens, potentially generating dividends and other financial returns. Through yield-generating tokens, users can access liquidity, enabling them to trade ownership of their yield for immediate income. Pendle's system also incentivizes liquidity providers, who can earn additional income by contributing to its liquidity pools. In Pendle's ecosystem, liquidity pools function through smart contracts, permitting users to earn rewards proportionate to their staked amount and duration. When users deposit assets, they are converted to the SY token standard, making them compatible with multiple blockchain networks. The SY tokens can then be entered into Pendle's liquidity pool, allowing users to secure and control their yield. Deposits within Pendle are split into principal and yield tokens. The principal tokens, representing the original asset value, stay staked until maturity, at which point they are unlocked for user withdrawal. Yield tokens, which capture the future yield of a staked asset, can be exchanged on Pendle's automated market maker AMM for other assets or held for future trading. Pendle technical analysis. Pendle has shown impressive performance over the past week, rising to $4.79 as of November 1st. Despite facing a volatile market, Pendle's value increased by 5.1%, reflecting strong investor interest in this yield management-focused DeFi token. However, while the price rose, Pendle's market cap and trading volume saw declines in the past 24 hours. The market cap stands at $771.92 million, representing a 5.61% drop. Trading volume reached $73.22 million, down by 39.86%. Pendle's fully diluted valuation FDV remains at $1.24 billion, suggesting the potential value if all tokens were to enter circulation. One of Pendle's key strengths is its total value locked TVL, which currently stands at $2.48 billion. This substantial TVL highlights the high level of investment within its ecosystem, drawing attention from liquidity providers. The market cap to TVL ratio sits at 0.3112, a promising indicator for those seeking yield opportunities within the DeFi sector. Pendle's circulating supply consists of 161.03 million tokens out of a total supply of 258.45 million. This circulation supports the demand for liquidity and staking, which are essential to Pendle's value proposition in decentralized finance. Over the past week, Pendle's price movement displayed initial fluctuations, briefly dipping to $4.56. Following this dip, Pendle rallied, peaking above $5 before stabilizing at its current price of $4.79. Pendle nears key $5 resistance with 61.8% Fibonacci level in focus. Pendle is showing signs of a potential breakout as it edges closer to key resistance levels. Trading at approximately $4.79 on November 1st, the token is near the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which has historically been a critical point for price action. Technical analysis reveals a strong upward trend over recent weeks, positioning Pendle within a consolidation triangle, which suggests a buildup of pressure likely to lead to a breakout. The chart indicates that Pendle has been on an upward trajectory since early October, with support forming around the $3.00 mark. The price has tested resistance multiple times in the current triangle pattern, which stretches back several months, hinting at a possible breakout if buying momentum continues. Key resistance levels lie at approximately $5, aligned with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and further up at $7.515, the 23.6% retracement level. The Relative Strength Index RSI, currently at 61.14, signals that Pendle is nearing overbought territory but still has room for further upward movement. An RSI above 70 would indicate an overbought condition, potentially prompting a pullback. However, the current RSI reading suggests steady momentum, leaving the door open for continued gains if buying pressure remains strong. Pendle's price action has formed a series of higher lows, adding to the bullish outlook. If the token can break through the upper boundary of the triangle pattern, it could move towards the next resistance level at $5, potentially signaling the start of a stronger upward trend. However, failure to break above this resistance may lead to a consolidation period around current price levels or a retest of the $3 support level. Pendle Price Prediction 2024. In 2024, Pendle's price is predicted to range from $3.98 to $5, with an average of $4.62. This increase could be attributed to a broader acceptance of decentralized finance DeFi and a potential recovery in crypto markets after recent years of volatility. As Pendle is a DeFi-focused token, growth in DeFi could drive demand and increase its price. Pendle Price Prediction 2025. For 2025, the projected price spans from $4.01 to $6.23, with an average price of $5.78. The increase may result from enhanced utility and upgrades within the Pendle ecosystem, possibly attracting more users and institutional investors. Increased adoption could stem from Pendle's unique approach to yield management, making it more valuable as DeFi continues to mature. Pendle Price Prediction 2026. In 2026, Pendle's price is expected to rise further. With a low of $6.01 and a high of $8.56, averaging around $7.02. The steady growth reflects a strengthening in DeFi's position within the broader financial landscape. At this point, more traditional investors might see Pendle as a valuable asset, contributing to its demand and price stability. Pendle Price Prediction 2027. By 2027, Pendle's projected price range is $7.56 to $9.99, with an average of $8.11. This increase may be driven by Pendle's ability to adapt to technological advancements in blockchain, possibly expanding its partnerships and integrating with other DeFi platforms. Pendle Price Prediction 2028. In 2028, Pendle is predicted to range between $5.29 and $7.63, with an average price of $6.08. Although slightly lower than the previous year, this period may see Pendle consolidating and stabilizing its value. This year might focus on strengthening its market base, with adoption from more retail investors and improvements in its yield management mechanisms. Pendle Price Prediction 2029. For 2029, Pendle's price is forecasted to increase, ranging from $9.46 to $11.53, with an average price of $10. This growth could be attributed to an increasing role for DeFi in mainstream finance, where Pendle's yield-generating capabilities may attract both institutional and retail investors. Pendle Price Prediction 2030. In 2030, Pendle's projected price peaks between $11.01 and $15.56, with an average of $13.20. This significant rise reflects Pendle's potential as a long-term investment, likely driven by its sustained utility in yield management. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news crypto.